The Audi R8 is sadly no more, and while it may eventually be revived as an all-electric supercar sometime this decade, it most certainly won't be offered with a naturally aspirated V10 ever again. Fortunately, the used market is filled with plenty of fine R8s looking for new homes, and this 2018 example is more special than most. You see, this R8 V10 Plus Coupe is one of just 10 units equipped with the competition package. Audi unveiled this version of the R8 in late 2018 and billed it as the most performance-oriented production R8 ever produced, and it is easy to see why. A host of parts from Audi Sport immediately make the car stand out. These include a carbon fiber splitter, aerodynamic canards, side skirt extensions, a distinctive rear diffuser, Aeroflix on the rear bumper, and a large rear wing, also made from carbon fiber. It also comes equipped with special 20-inch wheels inspired by those of the R8 GT4 race car. One of the most significant upgrades made to the car is the fitment of a 3-way adjustable coilover suspension system. Curiously, Audi has never officially released performance figures for the R8 V10 competition package, but one member of Bring a Trailer who has driven the car has suggested it has the same engine tune as the Lamborghini Huracan Performante, as well as a bespoke transmission tune for smoother shifts. A look inside the cabin reveals the car has black leather seats with red contrast stitching. There is also a healthy smattering of carbon fiber accents and an Alcantara steering wheel. The window sticker reveals the car had an original price of $239,900, including the extra $34,175 commanded for the competition package. While new Audis typically plummet in value as soon as they are driven off the dealership lot, that's not the case with this car, as bidding has already exceeded $210,000 despite it being 5 years old and having been driven 1,100 miles.